How did Kungu Karumba disappear? Kungu Karumba mysteriously disappeared. Kungu Karumba was a Kenyan nationalist and a freedom fighter. He was a member of the Kapenguria Six along with Bildad Kagia, Jomo Kenyatta, Fred Kubai, Paul Ngei, and Achieng Oneko. It is alleged he died in July 1974. Previously, it was reported that his whereabouts were unknown since he was reported missing in Uganda. A very active as a businessman, Kungu Karumba invested in Uganda. He loaned a substantial sum of money to Maliamungu's wife, who was a Ugandan military commander, Isaac Maliamungu, but she did not pay back her debt. Karumba consequently traveled to Uganda in June 1974 and disappeared. His fate not clear. Intelligence reports later implicated Isaac Maliamungu of murdering Karumba during a disagreement over his wife's death. Karumba disappeared on June 15, 1974, leaving family and friends confounded. He was on a business trip to Uganda. Karumba imported raw materials from the neighboring country, Uganda. He had left for Uganda on June 13, 1974, but never returned. He posed as Mzee Jomo Kenyatta's younger brother in Uganda before he was killed later there. He went there to get a sum of Kenya shillings 19,000 back from Margaret Maliamungu, who had borrowed the money from him and said she would pay him back later.